Interesting animal sleeping habits. You can see sleeping animals at the zoo. Many animals just lie down to sleep. But some animals have interesting sleeping habits. Horses stand and listen while they sleep, so they can easily run away from danger. They don't fall because they have strong legs. Otters wrap themselves in seaweed and sleep. The seaweed is connected to the ocean floor. That way, the otters don't float away from the other otters. Sometimes they also hold hands and sleep. Dolphins sleep with half of their brains. The other half is awake. They also sleep with one eye open. That way, they can watch for hungry sharks. Thanks to their sleeping habits, these animals can sleep safely and happily.